I'm Justin Diebolt, Coordinator of Career Training at McHenry County College. The career training programs at MCC are short-term classes that result in an industry credential employers are looking for in their applicants. If you're looking for the shortest path to a new career, the career training classes at MCC are the place to start. All of the instructors in the career training department at MCC are current industry professionals. This means your course is being taught by someone that is currently working in the field you're aspiring to join. Our goal is to help you gain the knowledge and certifications required to work in your chosen industry. Some examples of career training classes at MCC include real estate, CDL license, construction flagger, emergency dispatcher, veterinary assistant, as well as healthcare certifications including phlebotomy, EKG technician, and medical assistant. Hands-on training is one of the many highlights of these courses. Examples include off-campus training with live animals in the veterinary assistant class, our brand new 911 dispatch simulator for our emergency dispatcher course, and externships with Northwestern Medicine to help students prepare for careers in healthcare. After successful completion, students have a history of finding employment for these in-demand positions with employers throughout McHenry County. New scholarship opportunities exist to help students offset some of the tuition costs for these courses. Come check us out at mchenry.edu/career training to learn more and get started today.